Galaxy AI can now understand notifications on your screen. I start each morning by checking Now Brief. It gives me a personalized overview of my day. Here's a look at my brief. It includes the weather, my schedule, and even my energy level. And you'll notice it pulled this reservation here. Now here's the amazing part. I completely forgot to put this in my calendar. But Galaxy AI remembered the confirmation in my notifications and automatically reminded me for those calls you can't get to or the ones you don't want to get to. The all-new Bixby is smarter and understands you better. So navigating your device is as simple as having a chat. Now Bixby can bring you up-to-date information directly in the conversation, keeping you in your flow without having to open another app. Galaxy AI already helps you summarize, translate, and read highlights aloud. But now, starting with the Galaxy S26 series, the all-new Samsung browser is partnering with Perplexity. So you'll be able to research faster with Ask AI, a powerful AI tool to help you do more while browsing. Ask AI will take all the research across all your tabs, even your recent history, and combine it with the intelligence of conversational AI to help you answer all of your questions. Starting today, you'll be able to circle to search multiple objects at once, so you can easily find the look. Just use Circle to Search to instantly find every piece, from tops to footwear and everything in between, all in one search. No need for all the back and forth. Now Galaxy AI can assist you right inside the chat with gentle nudges, reducing steps. If you're texting with a friend and they ask for photos from last weekend, usually you have to dig through your album, scroll through hundreds of photos, find them, and then share. But now, Galaxy AI understands the context and does the work for you.
To deliver personalized experiences, Galaxy AI needs information. But we must ensure that only the right services get that access. That's why we built Keep. It maintains the digital walls between your apps, ensuring your data is isolated, verified, and protected.